That's just a stupid boulder!
It's not just a boulder! It's a rock! Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Yeah. What do?
Why do you always do that thing?
Do what?
That thing you do when you're fighting. And this.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I hear you out there. You stomping. I'm trying to take a shower. What? Why are you all poofy today? Oh, so tough. Take my clothes and do the laundry.
And that's when it hit me. The best idea I ever had in my entire life. That's the worst idea you ever had in your entire life.
Hey guys, just showing you my cute white dog.
Show your cat as a baby versus now. So dogs apparently don't like this sound. His face.
Every now and then, come and take my hand.
Every time I start my 1,000 horsepower Hellcat.
مش اكلت سنيورة ابننا وشبعت يا اخي خلص لا ركز ابني طعميه يعني مشان احزن عليك ما هلا اكلت ابننا ما انت
happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy.
The quiet is so relaxing and peaceful. I'm so sick of hearing the word bestie. Did someone say bestie? Jesus Christ, where did you come from? Not important, bestie, get up, it's go time. I really need to move out.
Shaped like a pineapple, and it was $5. Let's see if Kurt likes it. It unfolded automatically. It's a tent for you, Kurt. Oh, he immediately got in there. Oh my god. I think it passes.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I got my puppy a puppy. Not the reaction we were expecting.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Having a bad day? Well, come closer to the screen.
Paw. Thanks, Jasper.
Oh man, it says, please do not touch the gumballs. Why are they there then?
I don't think that applies to you though.
Oh.
Good one.
Oh.
He loves you, or she, or whatever. Let's see, that's probably a girl right there.
Give your dog fizzy water and see how they react.
Why is it spicy?
Walter, leave him alone. Walter! What the fuck? Hold on. Yeah. I know my Jeep will do it sometimes. Look at him! Yeah. Teddy! Snack time.
You got water right here, dude. Hey.
Hey, stop that.
Look, your water's right here. It's a lot easier.
Now,
I want to see if this is true, because apparently it makes cats gag. Holy shit, it's true.
Do it again.
He's scared of walking on hardwood for the first time.
Come on. You could do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's okay. No? You're scared?
Hey, Tango, can you come down here so I can check if you're clipped or not? All right, let's take a look. Let me see your wings, good girl. Wow. Well, it would appear that you are not clipped at all, Tango.
My mom has been telling me that my fans are worried that I'll slip onto the rocks. I'm going to walk extra careful so you don't worry about me. See how careful I am? That was no fun, Mom. I'm off to do dangerous Jack Russell shit.
Bye.
Sí, es media rara. Mira, mira cómo te mira.
Can I get an awa? Awa, awa. Awa, awa. Awa, awa. Awa, awa.
Oh.
Yo, Scout, dap it up. Scout, give me a high five. Scout, how are you doing on this wonderful evening? You are beautiful.
Melba. Noah. Bamboo. Magnum. Ipso.
Oh no! Oh, Mom, look! What? Uh-oh, Pepe.
Now what?
Uh-oh, really? Oh!
Yo, who's playing piano? I knew it. I knew you were a human trapped in a little bunny's body. I knew it. I knew you could do stuff. I knew it. I knew that there was something more to that little empty brain of yours. Don't try to hide it now. Don't try to hide it. Show us your moves. Come on now, show us your moves. Do something.
Under the sea, with me, Johnny. We lather in once for unwanted sense, then whoop the baby. She is the bestest in the world. She's no ordinary girl. She knows that I love her, and I'm her big brother, and she's me, Johnny.
Lilac, choose your color. Oh, you choose lilac? What color are you gonna choose? Oh, black. Good choice. You're gonna choose. Oh, pink color. Good choice. What are you gonna choose? You're gonna choose. Which one? Oh, aqua. Good choice. What are you gonna choose? Oh, which one? Oh, purple. Oh, light purple. Good choice. Oh, which one are you gonna choose? Oh, yellow. Oh, green.
What are you gonna do?
Wow. Which one are you gonna choose?
Which way are you gonna go? Come here. Come here.
What are you gonna choose?
You're gonna choose
blue.
We not having no loud games today. No yelling at each other. No biting each other. You too. I'm talking to you back there. Don't piss him off today.
So I come into work this morning and some idiot decides to dump their dog here at our work, leaving it outside in a cage all night in the cold. This is why I cannot stand people sometimes. Hey buddy, we're gonna get you help. I'm gonna bring you.
I'm sitting on the couch and I hear meowing. I think she got out. Oh my god. How did you... You're kidding me? No.
When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together lives within my heart. And when she was sad, I was there to dry her tears. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved me.
Se man, nej. Nei. Den får du ikke lov til å spise, for jeg kommer tilbake, ok? Dette burde du vite, men den får du. Det er nei. Det er nei. Ok? Nei. Nei, hva sier jeg?
Hello, today my dad was on a Zoom lesson with his tiny human friends. When dad went to the toilet, I thought I should go check in on the tiny humans to make sure they are being good humans. So I jumped up on his desk and saw the cup of tea he left there for me, and I began to drink it, but then the little humans start laughing. A minute later I heard dad coming down the stairs, so I went to say hello and walk him back to his desk. Then dad sat down and start drinking the rest of my tea, and all the humans start laughing again, but I didn't think it was funny because I wanted me to finish that.
I literally have no idea how you two got up here. Hi. Oh my goodness. Oh, I know, you guys are so scared. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. Hi, babies. Oh, you guys are so beautiful. Hi. I'm so sorry you're so scared. Oh, Look at your eye. Oh, you're breaking my heart.
If you didn't see it, flip your phone the other way.
Reese's Puffs, eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up.